So here, this machine is the Hwacheon Hi Tech 450 AL from Ward Hi Tech here in the UK. I'm going to tell you about some of the features that stand out on this particular model, and then touch on some of the commercial things that Ward Hi Tech are doing to support UK industry. Now let's start with the basics. We're talking about here a 76mm bar capacity machine, just over 400 millimeters cutting diameter with 1350 millimeters in cutting length. They're the basics, they're the things you need to know about the size of the machine. A 12 station turret here, and this is a straightforward turning machine. Now these machines are anywhere from a 10 to a 15-inch chuck, but they can come with Y-axis, with sub-spindle, but of course this model we're looking at here, available from stock, is as it stands. It's a straightforward 2-axis lathe. Some of the points to make and to illustrate about Hwacheon is the build of the machines, box guideway machines, 60 years of craftsmanship experience behind them. They hand scrape the axes in order to give you the best possible conditions for cutting all kinds of materials, and that's really what these machines are about. They're heavy, they're robust. Hwacheon is the largest privately owned machine tool builder in Korea. They build thousands of machines a year, and this is a perfect example of a machine that will last the test of time. So let's say you're interested technically on this machine. What about the support that Ward Hi Tech are offering? There's several finance options available to you at this current time, in this current climate. We all know how difficult it is for UK manufacturers. In fact, everybody around the country at the moment, we're trying to bounce back, and manufacturing is certainly doing that. Now, just briefly, a few of the options to you. You could rent this machine for a period of 12 months, and then you could decide at the end of that term whether you wanted to purchase it or whether you wanted to hand it back. You can then talk to Ward Hi Tech about the deal that would be then extended at the end of the 12-month period. You can have a payment holiday at the start, maybe have this machine hit the deck, not pay anything for a few months, make money from this machine before you have to pay for it. And then they're doing a 0% finance deal as well, so you can buy the machine on an agreement over a term, and then of course pay for the machine with 0% interest. Now there's a few options. Now Ward Hi Tech are a fully accredited lender here. They'll say that they're pretty unique in amongst their competitors here in the UK. And whether you like the things that I mentioned on the commercial side, 1, 2, or even 3 of them, you can mix and match and get the perfect solution for you to ensure that you can keep growing your business, because that's what you need to do in these times. Invest in technology to grow your company, and Ward Hi Tech are here to support you.